Ever had your supplement payments delayed because a processor asked for shipping proof? It's more common than you'd think, especially when you start scaling and can't provide quick tracking verification. Here's a quick manual fix. You can use a simple shipping tracker to log every order with the courier name, tracking number, and ship date. This helps when processors request proof for certain transactions. You will have it organized and ready. But relying on manual tracking can get messy once your order volume increases. Processors that handle supplement and nutraceutical payments often need confirmation that products are being shipped promptly and reliably. Missing or delayed tracking updates can trigger temporary holds or even refund requests. That's why EasyPay Direct takes a proactive approach. Their team ensures your merchant account meets documentation and compliance requirements smoothly. They help you stay prepared when processors request shipment verification for supplement orders. And here's a quick FAQ insight. Nutraceutical merchant accounts often require additional documentation, like lab reports or proof of shipment, to stay compliant. Having these ready helps keep your account stable and your payouts uninterrupted. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can set up a system that keeps your supplement payments running smoothly, even when tracking proof is required. Don't wait until a processor asks for proof and holds your funds. With proper shipment tracking and EasyPay Direct support, your payments stay secure and uninterrupted. Check the link in the description to get started today.